Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some jalapeno cheese bread for you. The idea came to me when I did the butter dipped biscuits the other day, and if you haven't seen that video, you can go back and check on it. I'll leave a link down below. But once I did it, I was thinking that would be a good base for some jalapeno cheese bread, so I figured I'd whip up some for you, and I just stayed pretty much with the base of it, except I took out the salt because I knew the sugar or the cheese was going to be salty enough to replace that, because I didn't want it too salty. Plus the butter that I was using salted as well. But then I just sifted, you'll see here, my flour and sugar together, so I can just lighten up that flour, get some air into it, and get that mixture together of that sugar and then the flour. And then I melted my stick of butter. Once I had it melted, I put it in the bottom of my skillet here, because that's what I'm going to pour the batter over like I did the biscuits. And during that time you can get the oven preheating to 450 degrees. And I use Velveeta cheese, and good tip for it, make sure you get it good and cool before you start grating it. That way it'll grate up easy for you. I use about a cup and a half of the Velveeta to put in with the batter. And then I started on my jalapeños, and it was just half a cup, I'd say, diced up is what I had. And then I put some slices on the top as well. You can see the dice that I did on it there. It's just probably a fine dice. And then I mixed it, the cheese, the flour mixture, and then the buttermilk together to make that batter for my bread. And then I poured that over the butter mixture just like I did the biscuits in that video, and then into the oven it went, and then it cooked for 25 minutes until it was kind of springy feeling. And that was it. Really good recipe for you, just fun and quick and easy jalapeno cheese bread for you. Good with some beans or greens or whatever else you want to eat with it, or good by itself too. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.